Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create configuration profile which is going to block the password savings on Microsoft Edge browser. Also, how we can prevent uh, synchronization of data using the Microsoft Sync service which we can deploy or simply enable or disable as per our requirement using Microsoft Intune configuration profile, right? So before that, I wanted to give you a bit context about it, why we wanted to deploy these policies and what we are going to do with these policies and capabilities, right? So to disable the synchronization of data, which includes our personal synchronization accounts, includes personal OneDrive for business accounts, and then the account settings, which is going to store favorites, then passwords and all of those settings, along with the data of the applications which are tied up with personal accounts, right? And these are the different situations or scenarios where people would simply use their personal accounts to synchronize and log in with the personal account, and it is going to synchronize everything with that account, right? That is too risky when people are simply signing in with their personal accounts and storing their passwords or favorites or maybe any company wide or business data, right? And that is too risky at one point when people are simply logging in or using personal credentials with the corporate devices, the company devices, and then same credentials are used for their personal devices as well, right? And that is when it is going to store the business account credentials, and it is going to be risky in multiple ways when people are simply not taking care of the logins and device, and maybe they are not taking appropriate actions, right? So appropriate actions could be they are not updating their devices, they are not simply clearing the cache of the browsers, they are not simply updating the applications on the devices. So there are many different reasons to that, why we should deploy this policy and what we should do and should not do, right? So this is when we have a policy which can simply block the password savings on the Edge browsers. Along with that, we have a policy configuration which is going to simply disable the synchronization of data, which includes the personal accounts data along with the application data and the application profiles, right? So let's jump on and I'll show you how we can create that one, right? And yeah, so let me go ahead and start creation of the policy. So here we are on the Intune admin portal. When you need to create a policy, you need to click on devices and then click on configurations, and then here we have a create button. From here we can simply select the Windows 10 and later platform, and from here we need to select the templates. Why templates? Because we are going to create a policy from administrative templates, which is here, and click create button. Here I'm going to give it a name, block password savings on Microsoft Edge via Intune policy, right? And this way we can make sure also give it a description if in case we wanted to give it as per our needs and requirements. Then click next. So from here we need to select the appropriate configurations in order to set the settings as per requirements. So I'll simply select the settings. So I'm going to simply copy and paste it here, and here is the setting that I wanted to do it, right? So here's the first setting, which is disable synchronization of data using Microsoft Sync service. So this service is going to simply stop the synchronization of personal accounts, as well as it's also going to stop the synchronization of personal data. So this is going to simply block accessing of personal accounts, which includes the Hotmail or Yahoo or any other personal consumer identities. Those would be simply blocked and those won't be allowed to use on the browsers, right? And this is when we can enable this policy to disable that, right? So this is it, and the next policy is for enabling password saving or disabling the password saving on the Edge browser. So this is that policy where we wanted to disable it, which is enable password saving to the password managers on the Edge browser. So this is going to be on the Edge browser as well as on the Google Chrome as well. You can see it here, right? So I'm going to push this on Edge browser specifically for now. So this is it, and I need to disable it from here. I'm not going to enable because we wanted to disable it across the devices, and that is why we wanted to simply disable it. So we'll click on disable and click OK. So this should be disabled on the devices as soon as we apply this policy on the devices, right? So yeah, this is it for this specific video, and this is what I wanted to show you how you can block the password savings on Microsoft Edge browser using Intune policy. Along with that, how we can stop the synchronization of the passwords and the personal accounts usage as well, right? So let's go ahead and click next. From here we can add any scope tags if you wanted to add and assign anything, but I'm not going to do anything here, and simply move to the next. So next is assignments. Here I'm going to add all devices in order to assign this policy to all the devices across the fleet, and this is going to be assigned to all the devices across, and then click next. So from here we see what are the policies that we have created, and then you see the status of both of the policies. So first policy status is set to enabled and second is set to disabled. That means we have enabled the synchronization set to disabled because we are not allowing it to let people use or synchronize personal accounts and all, right? And the second is enable saving passwords to manager, password manager, which is set to disabled, right? And this is when we are disabling the password savings or password manager on Microsoft Edge browser, right? So that's all for this configuration profile, and I'll simply go ahead and click on create. So this is creating the policy, and once it is created we should be ready to refresh it once again and search that policy. Oh, it is not. Let me pop up. Yep, this is the policy that we have created. You can see I have set these two configuration settings here with the enabled and disabled status, and we have targeted all the devices in this policy so that this policy is going to deploy across all the devices across the organization, and is going to block the password savings as well as the personal account usage and synchronizations along with the data and everything, right? So yeah, that's all for this video, and hope you will like it. Please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.